So, I've discovered a straightforward method to receive an immediate payment of $1,400 to your Cash App by tapping into an overlooked opportunity. It's entirely legitimate. All you need to do is follow the script I've provided, visit the designated website, set up the automation process, and you'll receive your payment. There's no scamming, hacking, or using any Cash App modifications involved. You're simply utilizing a tested and effective system. Check out my results. I received $1,400 directly into my Cash App after spending a week using this method. I even have the confirmation email, and within a few hours, the funds were transferred to my bank account. This isn't something that requires expert knowledge. If you have a laptop with Wi-Fi and a few hours of free time each day, then this method is suitable for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights and updates. Keep watching this video for more details. Before you can start cashing out big like this, there are a few essential steps you need to set up for this method to work. I'll guide you through each one, so follow along closely to ensure your success. First, make sure you have a Cash App account. Choose Cash App over PayPal to avoid fund holds. Cash App deposits the $1,400 directly. Create a free Cash App account at cash.app, a quick process. Download the app on your iPhone or Android by scanning the provided code. With your Cash App account set up, proceed to step 2. The $1,400 comes from Zendesk, a comprehensive platform for customer management, lead generation, and sales automation. Opting for Zendesk due to its user-friendly interface, I used it for my online coaching program. If you're not an online coach, you might wonder how Zendesk can help you make money. As Morgan Housel emphasizes in his book Psychology of Money, making money involves solving a problem. When I launched my coaching program, I encountered various challenges with sales funnels, automating coaching calls, setting appointments, and more. There were times when I wished I could simply pay someone to resolve these issues. Discovering Zendesk not only significantly aided my business, but it also presented an opportunity to help other businesses overcome similar problems. Before I guide you on finding businesses willing to pay for these solutions, it's crucial to understand how to use Zendesk effectively to assist these businesses and, in turn, earn your payment. To initiate the process, navigate to Zendesk.com using your computer for a more user-friendly experience. Opt for the Start a Free Trial option, allowing you to access your account without any initial financial commitment. Utilize the trial period to generate income before considering any expenses related to the software. Enter your email address on the provided page, and within a mere minute you'll gain entry to your account. However, note that the initial dashboard you encounter is not the one we'll be utilizing. Focus on the top menu for Zendesk products. Locate the sales dashboard and set up a tailored sales CRM dashboard as a central hub for insights, including earnings. My monthly revenue, for example, is $2,800, but individual earnings may vary. Now, take a quick Zendesk tour to grasp its functionalities. The Revenue tab transparently displays earnings progress. The Task tab enhances organizational efficiency, showing current tasks. This feature becomes crucial with client onboarding, providing a centralized task management location. The Appointments section tracks scheduled appointments for a systematic overview of commitments. Understanding Zendesk's interface sets the stage for effective navigation and optimum results. When handling clients with numerous appointments, understanding Zendesk is crucial for long-term payment success. The laptop interface, notably significant, grants access to essential features. On the laptop, find the Leads tab to compile details of website signups, including emails and phone numbers. Search for specific leads using the search bar. The Adjacent Deals tab offers insights into active deals, successful closures, and anticipated values for deposit. I'll guide you on lead identification and sales closure using Zendesk shortly. Just below these tabs is the calendar, giving a comprehensive view of weekly tasks. Efficient task management is facilitated, enabling workload monitoring and planning. Mastering these Zendesk features is vital for successful task execution and securing payments. Within this section, there are several tasks available, and clicking on each provides detailed information. If you wish to create new tasks, you can do so by clicking on the designated area. Whether adding appointments or tasks, the process is straightforward. For instance, if someone requests a call with your client, locate them on the contact list, click on them, choose the requested date and time, provide a title for the calendar, and click Create. The individual will then receive an email notification and the appointment will be confirmed. All your scheduled tasks can be conveniently viewed on your task page. Additionally, the Reports tab, located below, offers comprehensive insights into your account's performance. It details the number of leads you've secured, the ones you haven't, and your average deal size. This reporting feature is invaluable for helping your clients assess their coaching programs, providing crucial information about potential client or student interactions. Staying organized is key, showcasing your expertise and instilling confidence in your clients, ultimately leading to them willingly paying for your services. Now equipped with the knowledge of utilizing Zendesk to assist online marketers with sales funnels and online courses, you're ready to navigate this platform effectively and provide valuable services to your clients. The next step involves leveraging a different platform, namely YouTube, to identify individuals seeking assistance with their businesses. Specifically, we'll focus on small channels featuring tutors and coaches selling online courses but have yet to scale their businesses to include coaching programs and high-ticket courses. Our goal is to offer services that automate critical aspects of their operations, aiding in business scaling and revenue generation, a win-win scenario. Instead of asking for free money, we position ourselves as partners in their business growth, making them more receptive to our proposal. To commence this process, initiate a search for finance courses on YouTube. The results will display various channels, and your task is to identify those that either don't sell a course or offer a course but lack an online coaching program. Clicking through, you can explore channels to find potential candidates. For example, if a channel has a significant subscriber base but lacks clear links to online courses or coaching programs, it's an ideal target. Identify a suitable channel and propose collaboration. Click on the channel image, visit the About page, and find their email address. Send a direct message (DM) on Instagram for effective communication. Present a tailored proposal illustrating how your services can benefit their business, increasing the likelihood of them becoming paying clients. This strategic outreach ensures a more engaged and receptive response from targeted YouTube channels. To avoid message oversight, given the multiple channels, use my specific email script. Place the channel's email address and use the subject for curiosity. The seemingly clickbait subject prompts recipients to click and discover the reason behind your apology, engaging them and sparking interest. Introduce yourself, express appreciation for their YouTube content, and note the absence of a high-ticket coaching program. Highlight potential additional income and propose a call to align strategies with their channel's objectives. Send this concise message and attach a video showcasing their channel examples. Reach out to 50 YouTube channels daily using the same message on Instagram if possible. During calls, explain your automated system, emphasizing its value. Be friendly and attentive, disclose pricing if they express interest, and propose payment upon job completion. Share success stories, stress Zendesk importance, encourage questions, and prompt subscription for more opportunities. Offer additional content like a video on earning through online videos for continued engagement. Good luck!